Whether it's an office mishap or a marker-wielding rogue toddler, getting ink on your clothes is annoying. But the good news is an ink accident doesn't mean your favorite shirt is ruined. With the proper stain treatment, your garment will be as good as new. So are you ready to find out how to remove ballpoint ink from clothes once and for all? You'll need rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol should be your first choice for neutralizing and removing ink stains. Rubbing alcohol gets rid of certain stains on clothes. It can also leave behind stains of its own. These stains can be attributed to the forming ingredients in the alcohol, such as dyes. Additionally, just like other types of alcohol, rubbing alcohol contains a mild bleaching agent, which may be visible once you use it on your clothes. For this reason, I'm using a small amount of rubbing alcohol along with other ingredients. Take a bowl and add 4 to 5 drops of rubbing alcohol to it. The next ingredient for this remedy is dish soap. Dish soap is also a good option and best used in removing ink stains. Dish soap is specifically designed to remove oil and grease without being harmful to the hands, or in this case, fabric. When it comes to oil-based stains or just plain oil, it's been put to the test and is the go-to option for cleaning birds and other animals after an oil spill. You just have to add 1 teaspoon of dish soap to the bowl. The last ingredient for removing ballpoint ink is baking soda. One of Mom's magical elixirs comes in handy yet again. The best part about this isn't that every household is sure to have baking soda on hand, but that it's safe to use on all of your favorite materials. All you need to do is mix together 1 teaspoon of baking soda with rubbing alcohol and dish soap so that it forms a paste. Apply the paste to your ink stain using a toothbrush. Simply wipe the paste with a clean, colorless cloth or paper towel. If you have any DIY stain removing remedies, make sure to comment below. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.